Well, today is December 27th, 2020, and we're still in COVID times, so we're traveling today on the Travel Channel. But where are we traveling to? Where can we travel to? My backyard. Can't go very far, so we're going to look around the backyard here and make a little vid. Let's see what's happening in the garden. Temperature right now is 31 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's just about freezing. May go up to a few degrees above freezing today, but let's see what we got here. Okay, hold on. Okay, we got some garlic growing here. Come down here, take a close look at the garlic. And it's growing quite a bit here. And I planted all this garlic. This is garlic I bought in the supermarket. And you break them apart, take the little cloves off and plop them in the ground and they sprout up. And I planted these probably in October. And like I said, it's December 27th now. And then we got some warm weather after that, so they all sprouted up quite a bit before the first freeze. But I've done this in past years, and they survived through the winter and the snow. We had snow the other day, and they were all covered up and everything, but they survived. Then I bought some more garlic, which I planted right here, which was probably after the first freeze. Wasn't sure if they were going to pop up, but yeah, there's a couple of them popping up there. There's one there. There's a bunch of them. Yeah, they're getting up there. Yeah, they're popping through. They'll be up here in the springtime. Another one there. So, yeah, I'll leave these in here all winter. And maybe around June, latter part of June, when the tops get all dried out, and you pick them out of the ground, you hang them up to dry, and then you got garlic. Bunch of garlic. Good organic garlic, too, here, because no pesticides or anything used here, and untouched by other humans. And what else we got here? Well, we got an onion. I had a purple onion in the house, and you know, sometimes the center of the onion is, you know, looks like it's going to sprout. Well, I took the center out, put it in some water for a couple of days, it sprouted up, plopped it in the garden after the first freeze, and it survived the last snow. I just put a little plastic cover around it, and that'll survive in the winter. And in here, it's a little hard to see because it's all steamed up. I have some leaf lettuce from late fall that I planted, and I had this old aquarium. Never had fish, but I used this for a photo project. And I said, what am I going to do with this? So I said, I'll plop it here. And I've been picking lettuce every week for sandwiches out of here, and probably still into January. Last year, I had some lettuce that I put one of these plastic things around it. Lasted all winter, and in the springtime, I took it off and I was eating the lettuce. And it survived all winter. So we'll see how this works here. A lot of moisture in there, but whereas this one, the top's open, so it gets some protection. And but these heads were pretty big, so that's what I had to do. But that's the garden. There's the garlic. That's just a little light, some nonsense. And over here is the other one. Took all my grass clippings from the last few cuts in the fall, dumped them on here, and I'll turn that over in the spring. And old pistachio nut shells, I throw those in here too. So this is all organic. And a couple plants still living up there. They haven't died out yet. I got those out of the dumpster at the Walmart, and they bloomed quite nicely during the summer. And this was my gallon container project. It worked out okay. I don't know if I'm going to do that next year. I tried potatoes in there and peppers and different things, and yeah, it's okay. I think I'm just going to dump that dirt in there and get rid of these here. And this is oregano, which is not going to last here in the winter time, so we'll see. And over here, take a quick look. Rose bushes. Some of these rose bushes are 60 years old. From when I lived up in Philadelphia, my mom had these, and we moved down here. She's long gone, but planted them here. And yeah, the bases are kind of worn out, but they sprout up every year. And February is when I cut them drastically back. So I'll give them another month. And this one's a store-bought one. It's not that great, but anyhow. All right, so there's the garden. At least we did something in COVID. Traveled to the backyard. All right.